In this video, I will show you how to crochet these 3 to 6 months baby sandals. You may adjust for different sizes. The pattern is really simple. Those are the yarns I used and 2.5mm hook. First, let's crochet the sole. First single crochet on the second chain from the hook. 3 more single crochets. Then 5 half double crochets. Followed by 4 double crochets. Now 6 double crochets in the last chain space. On the return path, copy the same pattern from the other side. Now start a second round. Increase 1 in the first stitch. Then 3 single crochets. The same as the last round, 5 double crochets. If you want to get a longer shoe, you may increase the stitch number in this part. Again followed by 4 double crochets. For this 6 stitch group, we'll increase 1 every stitch. Now we have 12 stitches at the front. Again, copy the pattern from the other side. Now start a third round. 1 single crochet in the first stitch, then increase on the second stitch. Same as the last 2 rounds, 3 single crochets. Followed by 9 half double crochets. Now we reach the front. This time we will increase 1 every other stitch and use half double crochet. Again, copy a pattern from the other side. Now start a fourth round. Single crochet in the first 2 stitches. Increase 1 on the third stitch. Single crochet on the next 2 stitches. followed by 10 half double crochets. Now we reach the front again. This time we increase one every 3 stitches and use half double crochets. Copy the pattern from the other side again. Now we have completed the sole. If you want a wider shoe, you may add more rounds. Make 3 more. Align the stitches of 2 pieces. Use slip stitch to hold them together. Then sew around the first round. The first round has a 6-stitch group. Start from the second stitch from the right for the left shoe, or second stitch from the left for the right shoe. We will work on the right shoe. There is space between chains and the double crochet. We'll work in this space. Along the double crochet post, 4 double crochets into the hole. Now along the chain, 5 double crochets into the hole. Now we finish the work in this space. Move on to create more holes. Double crochet in the root stitch of the chains. This is the first one. This is the second one. 2 double crochets in the third chain. This is the third one. Start working in the last hole. Again 3 chains and 4 double crochets into a space. Then 5 double crochets around the double crochet post. Now we finished another one. We'll skip the middle hole and work on the next one. Move on to create more holes, similar to what we have done before. We skipped the middle hole last time. We use it here. Taking chains as double crochet, we have 5 pairs of double crochet. We'll work on 3 pairs and skip the ones in between. Skip, skip. This is how it looks like after this row is completed. Now let's work on the back of the shoe. I have put the markers on the back. 18 stitches in between the markers. Start from the right for the left shoe and the left for the right shoe. Single crochet in the stitch post. Completed the first row. Single crochet for next 5 rows. Now we have completed 6 rows of single crochet. Connect to outermost stitch using single crochet. Turn the piece around, then single crochet back to the other side. Now we reach the other side. Again connect to the outermost stitch using single crochet. Now turn the piece around again. Single crochet to the other side. Now we reach the other side. 16 chains from here. First double crochet on the 3rd chain from the hook. Now 33 more double crochets till the other end. The space between the double crochets will be used as a buttonhole to adjust the tightness. This is the final shoe. Here the button for adjustment. If you like, you may also sew a bead on it. I have gone over the difference for the left shoe. Follow the instructions, you can easily make a pair.